And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 83. Let me show you how you can adjust the midpoints a little bit more precisely. So just like we did in last videos, we create an element, use the gradient tool, use the short key and a left click on it. The fall gradient will be applied. And now go to Window and open the gradient menu. You can also find it here on the right hand side. And here you get the default gradients again. So these typical inbuilt ones under the swatches. We go with black and white. You can also find them here in the dropdown. Forget about the rest here and focus on the scale at the bottom. So this is the exact scale that we get with the gradient tool. I've shown you that in the last video. You can drag these color stops around. And the diamond icon on top is the midpoint. And you can also see we have now a location. So this is the exact numerical value of it. And if we add more colors, you can see it works the same way. Here, hover over the scale until you can see the plus sign under your cursor, then left click. And now you can select these color stops and double click on it. For example, use the swatches. And let me give that some default colors: red, yellow, green, and blue. And instead of manually readjusting the midpoints now for these 4 colors, I can use the location below and have precise numerical values. So for 4 colors, I need to find 3 positions for the midpoints. So 33%, 66%, and then 0 and 100 for the other color stops. And then the 3 midpoints are distributed equally. And you can see that cleans up your gradient quite a lot if you want to use multiple colors. So don't try to use the gradient tool. At least not for that task. It's way easier here to use the gradient menu and do it numerically. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.